you know, mga Dabawenyo, you cannot do this to us. We are educated people. And ang pundasyon na tinayo or hinukay para nilagay na pundasyon, this came from former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, who is now detained in the ICC because of political persecution. Hindi niya ito basta-basta na lang na saba na titibag ba na matumba. Hindi niyo matutumba to ng ganito lang. Because the people of Davao trusted him because of how he performed in the city. And this, kami, yung mga konsihal, mga congressman, me, as the vice mayor now, kami yung mga tao niya that is continuing what he has done, and we are continuing his aspirations and ambitions not only for the chosen few but for all Davaoenos.